Praise the Lord. All right. So
Trading View.
trading is just like watching TV. All right. And I'm gonna prove it to you in like 30 seconds, maybe like 2 minutes. All right. So the first thing I need for you to do is open up your free TradingView website and then your MetaTrader 5 app on your phone. All right. Open to those two up. You're not doing anything yet. All right. So we have 4 things we need to get to today, which is why we gotta lock in and get to where we're
Okay.
gonna go. All right. First thing we're gonna do is trading technology. I'm gonna check in, make sure y'all okay. All right. Second thing, we're gonna learn some basics. And then my strategy has 2 steps. So we're gonna practice that. All right. If you got it, now I am a counselor by my actual degree is in psychology and counseling. So you got to talk back to me, or I'm gonna just stay here. So drop a thumbs up or drop a 1 in the chat if you follow me. This is what we're getting ready to do. We all on the same page. If you on screen, you can just do a thumbs up. That's easy also. All right. So if you are not in the screen, you're best to be talking to me in this chat. Yeah, that's fine. Yes, the MetaTrader on the computer is definitely a little bit different. I got like 5 people that's okay out of like 19. I'm concerned. I'm gonna go again. I'm gonna go again because we gotta practice how we gonna do this. Because if not, it's not gonna work, group. Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes and wipe my eyes. I'm gonna see everybody that's on screen with the thumbs up because they're gonna let me know they okay. And everybody else that is not on screen is going to put a 1 in the chat. And if I don't see it, then we can't go. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, okay. I just wanted to be sure. I ain't leaving nobody behind in the first slide. Okay. So here's the thing. This is me. You don't care about me, but somebody may care about me. Like, who is this little girl talking to me and going to try to teach me how to trade? Um, Long story short, school counselor for over a decade. I am a Jesus type of girl. So I felt led to leave my job in September 2023. I had 7 days. I left my job in 7 days, and I had my first 6-figure year 7 months after that.
Oh, wow.
So that was dope. I'm a homeschool mom now. I'm actually helping to build my kids' homeschool academy, their middle school version. I'm a wife, I'm a minister, I'm a trader, I'm a coach. And I like to tell people. So here we are. All right. These are just some screenshots. Y'all don't think I'm lying to y'all about some of my profits. Like, I'm not lying. So you can make money, right? You can see here, that's about 2,900. You can see here, between this was back in 2022. So I've been doing this before I started in 2019. So I'm not new to this. I'm kind of true to this at this point, right? That was a $10,000 month, back in January, March, April, May, June 2022. I do funded account, so that's a $13,000 payout. So it's a real thing that can be done. Everybody drop in the chat, real thing. Everybody drop in chat. I need to see 19 real things. I'm gonna start counting. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I got 2 real things. I know we might be going there. We go. I got 3, 4. So this is important because I need you to believe it's a real thing. I have nothing to sell you. I mean, I do, but it's not a point. That's not what we're here for. We're here to give you the real thing, right? So when you are learning today, I want you to focus though on the skill. Everybody got me? If you focus on the skill, the money is a natural byproduct of it. You tracking me? All right. So let's do a technology check. I need everybody to go to your tradingview.com. You should have already downloaded it. It's a website, it's free. Go to the products, click super charts. When you see a screen that looks like this, drop Trading TV in the chat. So once you go to you and you can go to Trading View and you can see a screen, I'm going to do it with y'all.
Which one is
When you go to
Trading
Trading View,
View?
you're going to go to these little buttons right here. This little hamburger, go to product, and it'll say super charts. All right, click on that and chart should come up. That's all we need to get to today.
Okay.
All right. So when you,
Shannon, oh, excuse me, can you do that again? Because
yep,
I don't see products. I have mine up, but click on your, okay.
gotta go back. So if you go to the little hamburger, there should be a little hamburger somewhere.
No, so I need to go all the way back.
And then go to products. If you go to like your home screen, go to products,
Oh, home. Okay.
and then it'll say supercharts.
Mine don't say supercharged.
Products. So if you go all the way to like under your name, click on your name or the little circle with your initial and then go to home from there.
Yeah.
That's what then took me back out to the very first like sign up screen, if you will. And then I see products from there and then
Okay.
supercharts.
Yep. So it may look different on different Macs, books, all the things. But the goal is to get to supercharts. All right. Once you get to supercharts, you're good. All right. Don't need to do anything right now. I know it looks foreign. Just hold for me. All right. So I see a couple of, yep, that's all we need to see is the charts. Good job, Stephanie. Yep.
Okay.
So I just want you to be able to know how to get there. That's all I need. I don't,
Okay.
we just want to make sure we know how to get to where we got to get to. What's up, Kay?
Hey Shannon, can you hear me?
Yep.
So I don't know if super charts and the regular chart are two different things, but I'm already on a chart.
If you on the chart, if it looks like this, if you
Yeah.
clean, you good.
Okay.
Yep.
Thank you.
I just want everybody to know how to get to the actual chart that we're gonna need. If you are there, the next thing I need for you to do is to go to your MetaTrader 5 app.
Okay.
Make sure you
Yeah.
get into there. Why can't let me share my presentation? I'd have made my pretty presentation. Don't be funny.
MetaTrader 5. Where is it? Okay.
That's my presentation. Don't be shady. We're trying to help the people. We're just trying to help the people, Lord. Okay, here we go. We're gonna start from the beginning like this didn't happen. All right. So is everybody in your two? If you're in your two things, you're in your MetaTrader 4, 5, and your
Mhm.
trading view. Drop it in the chat so I know, because I can zoom, but I'm gonna go at the pace that y'all give me. All right. Cool, cool, cool. All right. We don't need to do anything in there right now. I just want you to know how to get in there. All right. We cool. All right. All right. So this is my first thing I need you to understand is that you have been trading your whole life. Somebody say, prove it to me.
Prove it to me.
Thank you. I would love to. I'm glad that you asked me. So sure, no problem. So we're gonna play a little quick little game because I'm educated by default. We can't not be in something and not do a game. Okay. So I'm going to put something up and y'all see y'all little word bank, little word bank. And I want you to tell me what goes there. When you go to Walmart or Target, whatever your preference is, okay? Political aside, you trading money for what?
Goods.
Go to the goods. What else? When you go to
Food.
Walmart or Target,
The
what
product.
for what?
Oh,
Product.
I'm
Product.
trying to learn trading.
Anybody else? Did nobody else go to Walmart or Target? As much as I spend in my life in Walmart.
Food.
Food. Like, come on, y'all. Like, y'all go to Walmart or Target.
Clothes.
Maybe y'all go to Trader Joe's or something. Like, maybe y'all bougie, go to Wegmans.
Mhm.
Okay, I don't know. But you get the concept, right?
Mhm.
When you're watching TV or social media at nighttime, this is for nighttime now, okay? A lot of times we are trading entertainment for what at nighttime?
Happiness, I guess.
At
Yeah.
nighttime,
Fun. What?
when you think about
Oh, you done put it on already?
when it's for sleep, a lot of times
Mm-mm.
she said, mm-mm.
That keep me up.
See, most people are trading, they scrolling in their bed.
Oh, yes, I get it. Mhm. Yeah.
Who else is scrolling in their bed? You supposed to be asleep, watching that last Netflix or Prime Video show, right? You supposed to be asleep. We're trading entertainment, sleep. Then be tired in the morning because we wanted to finish that last TikTok reel. Okay, y'all catching what I'm saying? When you go to work or you give your kids an allowance, we're trading time for what? When you work
Money.
for money. Like, yeah, I'll give you these good 7, 8 hours. You give me these good coins. Like, and then back in the day, when you went to amusement parks, we traded safety on the ground for what?
A thrill.
A thrill. We was like, I'm gonna risk it all. I'm getting on this drop zone. I'm getting on all the things. I'm willing to risk it all. Does this make sense what I'm saying to you? We've been trading for a long time. Like, it's nothing new. This is not trading is a lot of new concepts. We just haven't applied it in this way. Are you tracking me? If you're tracking with me, put tracking in the chat so I can make sure we good. Hey. So, so we got a couple of things to do. Understand today I'm going to teach, hey Pooh, I'm going to teach you in the realm of Forex because that's my sweet spot. All right. That's my bread and butter. But understand once you learn the skill, you can use it in Forex, right? Which you're trading currency for currency. You can use it for stocks. You can use it for cryptocurrency. You can use it for futures. Y'all tracking with me, right? So you learn one skill, it applies across the board. You with me? All right. The goal tonight is to make sure that y'all walk away with an understanding of what you need to be able to step into this realm. Can I be honest? Can I be honest? Somebody tell me something. I can't, if you don't tell me yes, I'm not gonna be honest. Can I be honest? Okay, thank you. Okay, let me help put the frame on for y'all. Y'all are not gonna learn how to trade perfectly in 30 days. Can I help free somebody? Don't come here like I'm gonna get this in 2 weeks. I'm about to become a millionaire next month. Don't do that. I'm not gonna lie to you, because that's what people like to do. Don't do that. What you are and can have is the skill and the strategy. But the hardest part of trading, like I said, is the discipline to actually do it. And don't be greedy. Trading is going to show you yourself. Trading showed me where I was insecure. It showed me moments where I was greedy. It will reveal the hidden things in you. So this is more learning the skill and letting your person and your discipline continue to help you stay there. Does this make sense what I'm saying to you? Cool.
Yes.
Because as I said, the money will come if you learn the skill. Okay? So let's play. So let's ask the question. What are they doing probably? What do y'all think? What are they doing at their house? What y'all think they're doing?
Watching.
Watching TV.
Watching TV. And they all. So what I need for you to do for me is drop in the chat your favorite. I am an 80s, 90s baby through and through. I love me some good sitcoms from Moesha to Fresh Prince. What is your favorite TV shows? Drop them in the chat, please. What is your favorite type of TV show, storyline? You like criminal? We like documentaries in my house as well. I just finished watching Stranger Things. Like today, I cried at the end because I was so sad. I thought Elle died. Like it is such a nice. So what is your jam? We got criminal. What else? What kind of storyline? We got thriller, suspense. I'd be stressed watching that. SVU. What else? Like me a good. That's so beautiful, ain't you? I want to be like you and read in my life. I be trying. My kids want me to be great. I pull out a book and they be like, "What you doing?" I love me a Christmas movie, baby. Don't start me up. Don't start me up, baby. I start Christmas movies in October and they go through February. So listen, when I say movies, right? When I say TV, what do you watch your TV on? Drop it in the chat, or you could just unmute if you're on camera. You watch it, or you go to the TV, we call it the movie theater. We call it the big what?
Screen.
The big screen. We watch TV on screens. We watch TV on TikTok and Instagram on our screens. I want you to see trading in the same way. It's just another and a new type of TV show. Somebody say prove it to me because y'all don't know me, half of y'all. Well, mostly I don't know me actually. Somebody challenge me. Don't believe me. Tell oh, thank you. I sure will. Watch me. Let me do it. All right. Boop. I'm back. I'm trying to let people in. I need Amanda. He's doing everything by myself. All right. So let's go out. Boom, boom, boom. I'm going to prove it to you. You can follow along on your trading view if you want, or you can let me prove it to you first, and then you can go there later. Let's talk about this. Can you see my screen?
Mhm.
This is a TV
Yeah.
show about money. Drop it in the chat. This is just a TV show about money. I'm gonna give you a clean chart so you're not like, what is happening? I need to see in the chart, money, money, money. TV show about money. All right? TV show about money. That's all this is. Don't let them tell you anything otherwise. And by the time you leave, you're gonna know what this money show is. All right. Let's talk about some similarities. All right. We know just like TV, there's a screen. Yes? Do we agree?
Yes.
Agree.
All right. When I do this, this would be similar to changing the what on
Channel.
the channel. So it's different channels. Are you tracking what I'm saying to you?
I see what you're doing here, Shannon.
See what I'm doing? Not too much,
Let's
not
just
too
tell
much.
the story.
Not too much, you know.
How you say it?
So it's just like you watching a TV show. Now, let's talk about this.
I will.
Because you like, listen, girl, no. All right. Somebody read me. What are the numbers? Can y'all see this little green box?
Yeah.
1.6.
6, 1.54520.
It's moving. All right. All right.
Mhm.
That is the price for this particular pair, this channel. Everybody drop in the chat. Pairs equal channel. Pairs equal, or put in your notes if you a note type of girl, guy. Pairs equal channel. Pairs. P-A-I-R. My bad, y'all. Pairs equal channels. So each pair is a channel. Like I said, we're learning Forex. So we'll get to that in a second. But let me prove you it's a TV show about money. Y'all see these numbers. I'm going to put a dollar sign in front of it. Okay. What is the price of this pair right now? Somebody read it to me. It's highlighted. I'm not trying to cheat you.
$1.61.
$1.61. Correct. Let's play some more. Can you see the red?
Mhm.
What's the price? What you know?
$1.35.
Let's keep talking with it since we're here. What's the price?
153 point.
Give
I
it to me dollar and cents. Let's keep it in what we know. Yep, say it, but put it in dollars and cents for me.
Oh, $153.
Mm-hmm.
And I can't see the other part, so
It's like 16 cents. It's going to be 16 and 17. Absolutely. Somebody read me this pair. What's our price?
$1.67.
$1.67.
Let's go to Bitcoin because it's doing what I needed it to do. Praise the Lord. What's our price?
67.
67,485 and 62 cents.
Okay. Do you believe that this is a TV show? It's just about money. You know how to read money. Yes?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Is this anything new?
No.
Okay. Are y'all still tracking with me? Did I lose anybody yet? It's a TV show. You could change the channel. Just like you can change pairs. You can go between Forex, stocks. You can do whatever you want to do. And you already know how to read money. We good? Okay. Now, I'm going to see if it'll let me go back to my daggone presentation. Oh, can y'all see my presentation? I think
Yeah.
okay. Look at that. All right, let's talk money. Pop quiz. Just in case I overwhelm somebody, let's keep it, simple. How much is this?
25 cents.
All right, give me something else.
67 cents.
Give me something else.
$1.55.
Uh-huh.
$10.50.
Here's the thing, friends. You probably like, why are you asking me? Because trading is about confidence. And the more confident, you like, this is stupid. I know how to read. Hear me. It's about confidence. You have to be confident in what you know before I can drop you into something new. You hear what I'm saying to you? Rolling. Give me something else.
$1,000.
Uh-huh. I love your accent. Somebody give it to me.
$10,000.25.
That's what it is. Now, everybody drop in the chat wealth language, because now we're going to add to what we know. Wealth language. Let me see what you got. I love that y'all talking. If you ain't talking back to me, I'm looking at you with a side eye like this. This is me looking at you. If you engage in this workshop and I'm giving you all I got and you ain't talking back to me, that's a little rude. I just want to say in Jesus' name. Okay. So anyway, let's play. All right. So we are confident that we have dollars and cents. Everybody's good. Anybody not confident in the dollars and cents? We good where we at? We good? Now, we know dollars is any number before the decimal, right? Learn this in like third, fourth, first grade, something like that, right? We know the two numbers behind the decimal are called cents. Everybody say pips. Say it out your mouth. Pips. P-I-P.
Pips.
Pips. All right. Pips are the third and fourth number.
What can't you do?
Third and fourth number. All right. We call them pips. And then pipette is going to be
Okay, in a minute over.
It's gonna be that last number. We call it a pipette.
Pip.
It's gonna be that last number. Are you tracking me?
Yep.
So you saying the third and fourth number, no matter like even if it's 10,000 or 1050, it's the
So
third and fourth number.
the one behind the decimal.
Oh, back. Okay.
Good clarity. Good clarifying question. Thank you for that. Good clarifying. All right, so let's practice. What is this amount? I just underlined it.
$10.50.
All right. Somebody read it to me with the pips.
$10,
$10.50.
$10. So read what you know first. $10
50 cents,
and
25 pips.
that's how you do it.
Oh.
Oh.
Y'all track it? Ooh, I love that everybody's face is like, oh, okay, we got it. All right, let's play some more. Take out this. I don't want to intimidate y'all. Let's add pipettes. Somebody read it to me. Do what we know first. Dollars and cents.
$10.50 with 25 pips and 3 pipettes.
You see how we did that?
Mhm.
Say that. Can you do that again?
Oh, we got more. Don't worry. I got you, boo. I gotta get imitation. All right, here we go. Somebody give it to me. So the way that you read it is, if I was to read this whole thing, the one that we just left, I would say $10.50, 25 pips, and 3 pipettes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So
Brave soul. Let's do our next one. Who
I
got
can
it?
go.
All right, give me what you got.
So that's 25 cents and 50 pips.
Correct. Boom.
Mhm. But what did you say what pips are? I mean, I know it's the number after the cents.
No, I didn't
but-
say what it is yet. It's just the, and I'll show it to you. It's the price.
Okay.
It's the action and the movement for the prices.
Okay.
So for dollars, we're used to things moving in dollars and cents. In Forex, things move in pips. And I'll explain it to you in a second. All right, somebody else give me. Brave soul, brave soul. How many dollars?
It's 67 cents and 24 pips.
Mm-hmm. Somebody, what's the big one? Give it to me.
$1.55, 98 pips and 99 pipettes.
Yep. Very good, very good. Let's play one more time, I think.
$10.50, 76 pips, and 88 pipettes.
Yep. So here's my trick for y'all. Pipettes is just one number. So when you see numbers that keep going, no, you're right, Con, because y'all are reading it, so that I'm doing it on purpose. So when y'all see more than one pipette, it just stops. We stop at the pipette, right? I think this last one, that's why I said I lied. Okay. This is my example. So if it goes, you have dollars, cents, pips, pipette is just that last fifth number.
So $1,000, 25 cents, 3 pips, and 0 pipettes.
Because just what you said. Go ahead and read. Go ahead and read. That's in the church. I used to be like, read. Go ahead and read. Because you did. Does this make sense what I'm saying to you? We're used to reading in dollars and cents. We're just adding to what we know, just a little bit. So when you see like 1.33333333, they actually do have value to them. We're used to just cutting it off. You won't cut it off anymore because you understand that when you're doing foreign exchange, they actually do have a value to them. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? What you got, Leah?
Can you read the $10.50 one again? You just leave also, it wouldn't be 88 pipettes. I'm sorry, hold on. Yeah, so it would be $10.50, 76
Pips?
pips, and 8 pipettes?
Yep.
Okay, so okay.
You just know when to
One
cut it
number.
off.
Okay.
Yep.
Thank you.
Are y'all tracking me? Are we okay?
I'm sorry. So it's 8 pipettes, not 88 pipettes.
Yep. So you have anything before the decimal, we know those are dollars, right?
Yeah.
Anything after the first 2 after the decimal, we call them cents, right? We're conditioned to know that.
Yeah.
Now my job is to condition you to see that third and fourth number. We
Yes.
call that pips. The fifth number is a pipette.
Okay.
You all right?
So Shannon, just real quick, on that other slide before you took it off.
I didn't mean to do that. Proceed. It's coming back. Thank you, Lord.
Because I wrote it down in my own notes, like you had a little formula with the parentheses. So technically, the pipette parentheses should only have one dash, not two, since you only read.
Yep.
Okay.
We just conditioned to looking at two,
Okay. Thank you.
and it freaks people out when they see something different.
Okay. Yeah, right there.
Okay.
That's only one number.
Yep. All right, let's go to some charts. Let's play. Let's read some money. All right. Again, each pair. So what we're getting ready to do is play in Forex land. So many different types of pairs, right? Forex is just trading currency. So if you've ever traveled and you need to exchange money in Forex, I like Forex because we make money when it goes up and we make money when it goes down. We don't have to wait like stocks. You got to wait for it to be going up to be in profit. We make money both ways. All right. So the goal for right now is I want you to learn how to read your chart. All right. So somebody read me. Right now we're looking at euro and the Canadian dollar. So this, what happens when you see these different pairs, it's two pairs. They're going together. So what happens is this is saying this is the price for this pair. As of right now, this second, you're going to see it moving all the time because these are live charts, right? So you're seeing those pips and those pipettes moving because it's a global market, right? So the money is always moving. So somebody, I need a brave soul. What is the price? Knowing our pips and our pipettes, let's try it on a chart. What is it?
$1.61, 62 pips, and it changed to 9 pipettes.
Yep, ding ding. Give her some love, y'all. Give Connie some love. Give Connie some love. Okay. We out here reading, out in these streets. All right. Somebody give it to me for this is my favorite pair. If you ever know me, this is my go-to. GBP. So this is the British pound. I'm reading here. The British pound and the US dollar. All right. What's the price? We're looking at that big box. Red box. What's our price?
$1.35.
Oh, you got enough?
3 pipettes and 6 pipettes, 4 pipettes. Just keep
Yep,
changing.
it's moving. Yep. Very good. Very good. Let's play with, I'm not going to confuse y'all because JPY is going to confuse you. They a little bit different. Praise the Lord. We're going to keep y'all safe. We ain't going to do it to you. I ain't going to do it to you. All right. Let's go to Euro AUD. Give me one more. One more.
$1.67, 30 pips and 6 pipettes.
Boom. Does this make sense? So when we look at this TV show, what we're looking at, y'all, is just what Price is doing. It doesn't take a rocket science. Let's read this story. And so just like every story y'all talked about, SVU documentaries, whether you're reading your book, whether you're looking at Moesha, Fresh Prince Martin, I looked at the Cat Williams special last 2 days ago. It was a great special, just shameless plug because I like Cat Williams. Everything has a storyline, right? Everything has a climax. It's a story to it. This is just a story about what's happening with the money. Let's read the story, group, shall we? Somebody say read.
Read.
Okay, I will. So y'all read with me. Can you see the bottom?
Yeah.
That black thing? These things are called candles. Everybody say, like you blow out a candle, like a candle. You got it? All right. Green, let's just take a stab at it. What happens when it's green? Which way is it going? Up or down? Up. So when you see green, is price going up or down? Okay, And if you see red, which way is it going?
Yeah.
I like the bullish, you better know. Correct. So let's read. From our story tells us for EURAUD, I'll be the news anchor. We got like this a news story. From February 25th through March 31st, EURAUD's price went, finish the sentence, y'all. Which way did it go? Prices went up. But in the turn of events, I'm in the class, girl. And a turn of events from December 22nd all the way through February 16th. The price of EUR AUD, my purse is in there.
Down.
The price of EUR AUD went, come on,
Down.
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 Bearish.
Does this make sense?
Mhm.
All right. It's just a storyline. It's telling you what's happening between the two countries, right? Price is going up. It's going to come down. It's going to go up. It's always moving. It's always fluctuating. Okay.
Mhm.
Each candle represents time. That's what these little things mean. It's just time. Each story tells us time and what's happening on that day. So if you go to the D, right, for daily, when you set it up, that means each candle tells us what happened each day. So on January 27th, which way did price go? Up or down?
Up.
Up. January 28th, which way did price go? Up or down?
Down.
Down.
Are you tracking what I'm saying? So each candle is just telling a story of what happened that day. Right now, it's today. Every day starts at 5 p.m. in Forex land. Okay, so technically in a new day, February 18th. As of right now, because we're live in a live market, which way is it going as of right now? EUR CAD, which way is it going? Up or down?
Up.
Up is blue. What's our price as of right now?
$1.61, 64 pips and 1 pipette.
Correct. Are you tracking me? It's a story. Each candle is just telling you a story of what happens during that time frame. You see this little countdown bar? You see this 21:54? That's just a countdown into the next candle. So on this chart, it's just 21 hours, 54 minutes, 45 seconds into the next day. If I go to the one that says 4, I'm gonna go to the 1. The 1, H. That means each candle tells us what happens every 1 hour. You can see it's 7:05. It's showing us what happens at 7 o'clock. It told us what happened at 6 o'clock. It told us what happened at 5 o'clock. You can trade on any time frame, but the story is the same. It's just going to tell me a story about the price and what happened for that hour, what happened for that day. You guys can see I have the month, what happened during that month. You choose. This is where it becomes your choice. But once you understand, you can choose what feels right for you. Does this make sense?
Mhm.
All right. Did I take that out? Or are we okay?
Okay.
We making it? All right.
I can get with you offline, but I think you've lost me. And not lost me in terms of reading the chart, but because I overthink. I'm sitting here thinking like, so what does all this mean? You know, like we're trading, but trading, well, it's like I think like a little more background, a backstory as to the what, the how do you, make money? Are we trading? We're trading currency. Like how do the businesses like do
You want a history lesson, Leah.
so I mean I guess just so it all can make sense to me. But yeah, I can get with you offline for that.
So the short of that is once you learn how to, and that's what the strategy is going to be. Everybody has different strategies. There's not one right way to look at a chart. So once you understand what it is that we actually looking at, okay, these are actually prices. It's just like when you go to oh gosh, where's my presentation? Do I have it? Where is it? 2 seconds, please. Let's make this real life. Let's see if we have it. If we have it quickly, I can show you. It's like when you go shopping. It's gonna take too long to pull it up. It's like when you go shopping. Do you remember when eggs was like $7? I was bitter about it. Okay. I was not, I felt some type of way in my whole spirit about it. It wasn't stealing. So eggs were like, it went like this. So just to answer your question, Leah, eggs went to $3. And we was like, no, that's too much. So people stopped buying eggs. So the price dropped down a little bit. Then it went back up to like $4.50. We was like, too much. Nope, stop. We striking it. Went back down. Then it went back up. They was like, oh, they want them eggs. They want some scrambled eggs, some olives. They brought that mug up to $6. And we was buying it. And then it got to like $7. And we was like, now that's enough. Okay. Drop back down. Went up to about $8.99. I was really better about that at this point because I still wanted my egg because I needed protein. And so this is what the charts are doing. Now, in Chartland, this is different, but let's bring it again to real life. What do we call it when something goes up, price goes up, and then it comes back down? Think
Maybe
about
inflation?
Nope,
That what?
Uptrend.
nope. Think about Black Friday, something goes on
Oh, sale?
Sale.
sale.
Mm-hmm.
So this is just indicating the movements of people on a chart. So we do this, right? Price went up to $3.50. We waited and went on sale. We waited for that signal, like, okay, it's time. Then it went up. I don't like this. We waited for it to go back on sale. Then we got in. It went back up. I don't want to do that. We waited for it to go back on sale. So what you're looking for is basically for the price, to put it in like normal terms, for it to go on sale. We're looking for the best opportunities to get into the move. It's moving without y'all right now, right? So the concept is there are people who are making this money move, a lot of people. And we just want to wait for the right shapes or signals to say, okay, I want to get in. So that's what I'm going to teach you tonight is the signals. What are the things that we're looking for? Then you go to your MetaTrader 5 and you click buy or sell, depending on which way it's going. Does that make sense? Like a little, at least like in a snapshot of like, okay, we just have to look for the right moments to agree. And then we can hop in and take advantage of the momentum.
Okay.
So that's in stocks, Forex, futures, crypto, whatever.
That was an
I
accident.
don't say it wasn't.
So let's play. Ah. So let's play. Hey, girl. Bum, bum, bum. Are y'all okay on chart? Because we're going into our strategy.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's play. Leah, you went right into it. Look at you. That was the Lord. I forgot I made the example on my presentation. So it's the same thing, right? This one, let me draw. We bought some popcorn for $1.99. Nobody wants to buy that much. It went on sale. People started buying it again. We buy up. Think about it like that. Stuff buys up.
Mm-hmm.
People got mad that popcorn was $2.50. Sale off. It went down. Back on sale. Oh, I like this price. We're going to buy up again. $4 up. That's too much. I don't want to spend $4 for no popcorn. That's dumb. All right. They have to bring it back down. This is all it's doing, right? Is what we do every day at the grocery store, what we do every day when you buy a Lululemon, what you do every day when you go into Trader Joe's, right? It just puts it in front of us. Like, this is what y'all doing. Y'all just playing this is exactly what y'all look like. So step A is direction. Everybody get that in your notes, direction. A, direction. If you can get in the right direction, you are more oh, I'm sorry. I'm gonna be in the chat. I only got one TikTok, and I'm gonna be talking about Jesus, moms, and trading. You can just email me. So that is a direction. It's 3 ways the market is gonna move. Everybody, which way is this?
Up,
Up.
It's gonna go up.
down,
It's gonna go down
sideways.
and
Side.
sideways, right? So you have up. There are technical terms. I don't teach new people the technical terms because it makes their eyes cross. I teach terms that they know so that it's not so overwhelming. Does this make sense?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. So Up is when you hear people say a bullish market, bull,
Mhm.
that means it's going up. When you hear bear, think about like when you're having a baby, like you bear down, or if you're having a poop, bear down, like ugh, like the bear is going down. So when you hear bull going up, bear is going down. They mean the same thing. So it's basically going up or it's going down. Sideways, somebody put it in the chat already, consolidation. Sideways means, forget consolidation. Sideways means stay away. That's what y'all
Mhm.
need to know. So when it's going like this, yeah, it means stay away real bad. Don't touch it. Range, it's the same thing. So when it's going like this, it's not going nowhere. Stay away. Sideways means stay away because that's where new traders get trapped and they lose all their money. At least with my strategy and my experience, talking to people and teaching people since 2020 out in the streets. All right. So let's play. We're going to go on the chart and we're going to play in some directions. Hello, friends.
Hi.
You good? Y'all.
Style.
Hmm? This is not giving what it needs to give. Can you see my screen?
Mhm.
All right, let's play. All right. We know that we have 3 ways. So our first step is direction. So we're going down. We're going up.
Yeah.
Mommy's calling y'all. Or we're going sideways. Sideways means what group? What's the code? Stay away. Don't you get up in that. Let's practice finding direction. What you're looking for in direction is something called, oh, don't do that, girl. That's my gun. You can go wash your hands. So when you're looking for direction, when you're looking for something called a higher high, if it's going up, this is important. Take your notes. Higher high. Higher high means we're looking for buys. All right. Lower low.
Sale.
We're looking for sales. All right. Let's practice. What happens is I'm going to show you, they have something called line graphs. All right. You can see it on line graphs or regular graphs. All I'm looking for is, you see these red greens? Red, green. I'm sorry. Green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red. You're looking for, those are also called peaks. Can you see that? So
Mhm.
a higher high is just a higher peak. It's higher. The candle, that next green red is higher. This next green red is higher. This next green red is higher. Do you see what I'm doing?
Mhm.
If I see it going higher, the TV show about money is giving me a hint that we're going up, at least for right now. Does this make sense?
Mhm.
All right, let's
You're
practice.
saying when you see a green and red together, if the green is higher, then it's going up. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, so it's typically going to be when you see that green red, like here, that's your new peak. So that's your cue. That green red means it's made a peak.
Okay.
Looking for the next higher peak.
Okay. Maybe I'm missing it.
We're gonna practice.
Okay.
Put it into action. All right. So let's play. I need you to look and see, for those who can, to annotate. If you can annotate, can you drop on my screen? There should be a pen or something that allows you to annotate. If you can, go ahead and draw on my screen. Let me see you annotate. I see you. I see you, girl. All right. As many as we can. Let's annotate. I see you. I see you. All right. Bum, bum, bum. All right. Let's play here. All right. In this box, I want you to mark Yep. I want you to put a circle or just a little line on where do you see the higher highs? There's no, I mean, it's right or wrong, but you're learning. So we're just practicing. So in this box, put a mark. Where's the higher highs? Okay. Yes, I see you. Yep. 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 Okay. There's one more that y'all missing. Go a little lower. Yep. Yep. Yep.
Here,
I know y'all trying to figure out how to annotate.
here, here.
I'm trying to figure it out. I'm like, where is
To give you a second to annotate. All right, I'm gonna clear all the annotations and then we're gonna get started because I know y'all need to figure it out first. All right, y'all ready?
Mm-hmm.
In this box, I want you to put, I'm gonna show you. Here's me doing it first. Higher high, higher high. It's little, but it's still higher. Higher high, higher high. Anytime you see that green red and it's higher, do you see this?
Mm-hmm.
You see what I did? So here, mark whatever higher highs you think you see. Remember, it has to be higher. And then I'm gonna show you. Let's give it a shot.
So how are we marking on your screen?
You can annotate.
Like, where's that
Okay,
at?
I see you, Maya. It's going to be different for every, So there should be like a pin or it'll say you're seeing Shannon's screen and it'll say annotate.
I just see share screen.
How did everybody, is it giving, what are your options for annotate? Y'all looking good there? Yep.
Yeah, it's like a pencil on the left-hand side of the screen for me.
So some people got pencils. Very good.
Oh, right there. Okay, good.
Yep. Y'all doing it. I'm proud of y'all. Y'all better come on then. Yes. Absolutely, y'all. So this is the higher high, right? This is a peak. This is a higher high. Perfect, y'all. This is a higher high. Excellent. Look at y'all. Y'all did step one. Was it painful?
No.
Was it too painful? Let's do some more. I'm proud of y'all. Look at y'all looking how y'all looking. Look at y'all. Look at y'all analyzing. At 7:20 on February 17th. All right. Y'all ready? Let's play. Now remember, hey, what are you doing? Let's go to the daily. Let's get some more opportunities out here. Oh, this is pretty. Since we're here, y'all ready? Let's run it up. Here's your box. Go for it. Do I need to make it bigger? No, you're already writing on it. Okay. Look at y'all. So proud of y'all. Y'all analyzing that 7:20. Step one. Step one, big boy. Look at y'all. Look at y'all.
Some lower.
3, 2, 1. Hands up, hands up, hands up. Back up, back off my chart. Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Let's see. Let the teacher grade y'all. See how you did. Let's see what you did. Y'all looking good, y'all. All right. Excellent. Yes. We have one here. We have one here. This is tricky. This is called a gap, but this was still accurate. Yeah. This was annoyingly, yes, because this is a green red. Yes. You could have put this here as well. It's tiny. So technically, yeah. Yes. 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 Here is a trick. This is a green red. Is this a higher high?
Some lower high.
So it's not a higher high because it's not higher than the previous peak. So don't let them trick you. Does this make sense, what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay. It has to be higher than the previous peak. Are y'all tracking what I'm saying and what we're doing?
Yeah.
Quick question, Shannon. So that one where it's got a big wick up, would the high literally be at the top of the wick, or will the bodies of the green red meet?
I do the body.
Okay.
Yep, I do the body for my particular strategy. Yes, ma'am. I do the body. Let's
The line real quick so I can see.
say it again.
Can you switch it to the line graph view?
Yep.
Okay, I see. Okay.
Yep. So, and some people, y'all, you have to practice. Boop. You have to practice with your eyes see better. I had a student when I first started. Those are the higher highs. This is a fake out. It's a peak, but it's not higher.
Higher.
So that's what we're looking for. It's got to be higher. Y'all tracking me? So I had a student, I think that sounded like Maya. I had a student who she stuck on the charts. Like these charts, like it overwhelmed her. Her eyes was like, no, we're not doing it, sis. But she could trade like a whole beast on the line graph. So I'm saying that to say you got to see which version resonates with your eyes the best. What makes sense for you? Does this make sense? Because you can
The
see.
line does make it easier to see at first until you get familiar with candles.
So it's no. So we'll do both ways. We'll run a couple more, and then we're gonna go to step 2. All right. Is this okay for y'all? Don't gotta be everything, right? Like Minister Lauryn Hill said, it could all be so simple. But you try to make it hard. All right, let's play.
Hold on, Miss Shannon.
What happened?
I have a question. I just was trying to catch what you explained
Uh-oh.
as far as the wick with the red and green candle in the box when we were talking about the high peak. What were you explaining right there?
Right here. So
yes.
It's called, am I annotating? This fat part is called the, you see where it's the fat parts? Those are called the body of the candle.
Right.
These are called the wicks.
Okay.
All right, just for some candle anatomy.
So that wouldn't be considered a high peak?
No, I consider the body. That's what yeah. Some people would, I don't. I like it. Where does it end?
Okay.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Good clarifying question. All right. Let's play. Let's run 2 more buys. Tell me the story. What's the story for EURCAD telling us? Show me our buys. Where's our higher highs?
One,
what you got?
2, 3.
Oops. Crap. So for the coder, you mean the payer? We're doing EURCAD. Yeah, because people just be looking at me, Erica, and they be like, I don't know what this lady talking about. But it's helpful when you can practice it, right?
That's right.
Y'all did good. This is good. Yes. Yes. I'm proud of y'all. Ain't nobody get trumped here. I didn't mean that. Like, I mean it like the word. Like, everybody get trumped. Like, that's good. Like, everybody always get got. Good.
So Shannon,
What's up?
where is it? I can't see now all the marks. I think it's here. It looks too. I don't see the green red, but that's still considered a peak. A peak.
This is called a gap. So, but it's still, they go together real bad. I'm gonna put it on your line graph. It's a funky peak. You see, it's still a peak. It's just ugly, and some of them are ugly, and that's why we practice all of them so that we don't get like, cause you're not sure. Because this times and I'm like, where's the peak? I'm not. It's given. I'm not sure. That's when you go to the line graph, right? We got one.
So it's not only green red. It can be green sometimes, but that's an ugly one. Okay.
Yeah, it's green red, but because so this was a weekend. That's what happened. This was a weekend, and so it messed it up. Yep. And so you can see it here too, Maya. It's green, and then the red comes down because I'm sure this was a Friday, and then this was a Monday. Like, so sometimes it opens with a gap, but it's still the green red. It's just it's not like you normally would see.
Gotcha.
And you got to think about this was November 2024. So it was a lot going on at that particular time. Right? Are we okay with that? With the higher highs? We good? We feeling okay? Like, we got to start?
Yes.
All right. Let's go to lower lows. We're gonna switch it. All right. Give it to me. Same concept, lower lows. Don't annotate yet. I'm gonna show it to you first. Lower lows, it's the same concept, but now you're looking for red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green. It's just the opposite of what we were doing. Right, we're just looking for peaks, red, green. I'm gonna bring it to you on the line graph. You see, we just looking for peaks. All right, y'all can run it. Go ahead and run it. See what we got. Where's our lower low? All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up. All right, real nice. That's good. Y'all didn't get tripped up here. I'm proud of you. Yes, baby. Okay. Yep, let's make it clean. Boop. Boop. I don't think anybody used this one, but you could have technically. I wouldn't have used it as ugly. This was pretty. Pretty, pretty. All right, let's do one more and then let's go to part 2. Are y'all feeling all right? We feeling okay? I ain't scared nobody away yet?
Not yet.
There you go. All right, let's play. 10 seconds. Let's do it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up, 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 hands up. All right. I see it. Very good. All right. Let's add something. Can I add one more thing and then not run you away? All right. This is good. This is good. Y'all had it. This is good, 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 good here. This is something that's called the same low. You see how it came here twice? It's not a lower low, it's the same low. They both count. Like, it's just something for you to know. Just for notes. Nothing special. All right. This is actually close to it. All right. Y'all did good. All right. We good. We breathing. We making it. Step 1, done. You got to find the direction. Let's go live, actually, before we go to step. Let's trade live, shall we? Since we're here, let's find some directions. I'm gonna give you some clean ones. Is there a direction here? Do you see a higher high or a lower low right now? It's right here. Is it higher than something or lower than something or in the middle?
Higher.
All right. I'm going to show you. I'm going to annotate. It's in the middle. This is where it's going back and forth. This is an example of consolidation, right? So this is a perfect example. It's in the middle, stay away, right? We don't want to do it. And I'm showing you because I want you to see live, right? All right. What do you see? Which direction are we in? Is it going up or down? What's the direction overall? It's going down. All right. I need you to mark on here. We're going live. Where are the lower lows? From here to here.
Here.
Very good. All right. Good. Nice and clean. Red, green, red, green, red, green. I saw somebody up here. Can you see how that works? This is a live market. You found the direction. You saw it was in a downtrend. You can identify the lower lows. Y'all tracking what I'm doing? This is live. Now we not doing worksheets like you doing it in the live market. All right. I can't see my pairs because I can see y'all. One moment, please. All right. What direction do y'all think this is in?
Mm.
It
Down.
was going down, but started consolidating.
Okay. Show me where the higher high is. Because when you're looking at live markets, you want to look like right here, like exactly what's happening. There you go, Angie. Yep. We have a higher high there somewhere, right? Perfect. Where's the lower low? There, okay, yep. And yep, that's the lower low. So that means right now we're in the what? We're in the middle. Because this is higher, this is lower. So anything in the middle means we wait. We got to wait for there to be a new higher high, right? That's why we learn to see the higher highs
Oh, or lower low.
or
Yeah.
lower low. Yep.
Out the middle to get out the middle. Okay. I always wonder, like, how far back do you go to say we're in the what, but you want to look for the immediate kind of like the right where we are right now.
You want to stay kind of in this box. Yep. Yep.
I have a question.
What's up?
This box that we're looking at, it's the 1 hour time frame. We're not looking anything higher than that if we're looking for like right now to see what direction it's going to be going in.
So you can do both. I trade on the daily, the weekly, the 4 hour. I trade on everything at this point. So you can, but you still stay in the box.
Okay.
The difference is, and you guys, this is my actual, y'all actually looking at my actual chart. So you can see I put myself in timeout when it's not clear direction. So this is my note to myself, like no entry. Don't even try it, girl. It's not clear. There was a lower low here, right? It went back up and now it's just kind of in the middle. So to your point, if I get in the daily, it may take me a day, it may take me a week, it may take me 2 weeks for my trade to activate. Right? But I'm gonna analyze it the same way I would on the 1 hour. The strategy is the same. If I go to the 1 hour, like you said, I can get in more quickly. That's the difference, y'all, between the time frames. I don't like to trade every day. I like to trade a couple of times a month and be about my business. So as you practice it, because as you practice it, you'll find what feels right for your lifestyle. When I first started, I was on the 15-minute. I can get in and out of something for like 10 minutes. Like I'm good. Let's get out. Let's do this. Now I don't want to be on charts all day. So I'll set my trade. I usually trade at 8:45 p.m. to 9 o'clock p.m. And I do 8:45 a.m. to 9 o'clock a.m. I'll set them up for what I can see getting ready to happen. And then I'll it'll run on its own. So you don't have to watch the trade. You don't got to babysit it, whether it's the 1 hour or a higher time frame. So that's a good question. Why did I show you the live charts? Because you guys could see with EUR, you could see the direction, right? Like with GU, you could see it. Like we can see it's going down. There will be times when you can clearly see it. There will be other times when y'all made the face like, when you make that face means don't get in, don't do nothing. Because you should easily see it. It should come with ease. If you're not sure, like, that means hold tight. It's not clear. The goal is that it's an easy trade. It's a clear trade. You can be confident. Otherwise, you're gambling, which we don't do. The TV show will tell you when it's time. And if you making a face like I have a time limit. If I'm trading more than 15 minutes, that means I'm not trading at my best and the markets are not giving me clarity. The TV show is not really telling me the storyline. So Shane, you need to back up and close the computer. And there's other times where I can be like, oh, this is so clear. Like, oh, yes, I'm going to get in. Let it be easy. If it's not easy and you can't see it, shorty, you gambling your money. And that's not what we're here for. Y'all tracking me?
Mm-hmm.
So I showed you both because you could see clearly GU. It's going down. And then we go to consolidation land where it's like, I'm doing nothing but confusing people who want to make money and trapping them in the markets and taking people's money. And it's like, we'll wait. You know, teachers used to say, I wait. I wait. This is what I wait. Waiting is a position just as much as taking a buy or a sell. It's just as powerful. Because the goal here, y'all, is to make money and to keep money. Does this make sense? Is make money and then lose it tomorrow because you're just hungry for a trade. Are you tracking me?
I am.
All right. So step one, you know what? I'm sick of you. I need a new presentation platform. I was excited about it when I first saw it in Canva. It's not giving me what I needed to give. I'm going back to Google. All right. Get us out of here. Thank you. Please. Present. Boom, 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 boom. We did all of this. Thank you so much for your time and attention to the matter. So we know step A, direction. You got to find it. If you can't find it's going up or it's going down, you're done for the day. Walk away. All right. We already did this. Praise the Lord. Step B is you have to find to what you're saying. And you guys have done this. I'm not going to have you do it here because I want to honor our time. The goal is that, yes, you can find your direction. Boom, boom, boom. These are called take profits. Write that down. You need to know that. Take profit. There's 3 things you're going to need for a trade. The higher high is your take profit. That's where you're going to get out of your trade. That's your exit. Okay? That is your exit. Your higher high is your exit. And I'm explaining to you in a second what step B. All right? Boom, boom, going the wrong way. Same thing with the lower low. Your lower low.
Sorry, Shannon, repeat that again, please.
Yep. The lower low, how you guys found the lower low or the higher highs? Who was that?
Flavia.
Okay, I was like, wait, you sound like another one of my old students. I was like, wait. When you find the lower low or the higher high, that is your take profit. You're going to type it in your MetaTrader 5. We're going to do that in a minute. Just seeing what it looks like. That's how you tell your broker, hey, when it hits this price, so what's going to happen? I'm going to show it to you if I can annotate. Let's say your take profit, your lower low is here. This is your take profit, right? You saw it go lower. Oh, we can do it here because this is clean. This is my take profit. Okay. Your take profit, it has a price. On your trading view, everything has a price. It tells you exactly what the price is. If you put a line there, it'll say this is $1.35, 22 pips, and 1 pipette. You're just going to copy the price. Like, copy the price of your take profit in your trading app. Because what it does is it tells your broker, hey, I think it's going to go back down here. Take me out in profit when it gets there. It's your way to communicate to the broker, the company, to say, hey, once it gets back down here, take me out. I'm explaining that with step B. But the first part is you got to know how to find the direction. And I think we are okay with finding a direction. But I need you to know the direction, the lower low and the higher high equals take profit. I would have you do this, but I need to honor our time. So can I move on?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, step B, I call them boundaries. Okay. Because entries are the price of the previous higher, higher, lower, low. So I'm going to show you. This is a higher high. 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 What happens is the market moves like a slingshot. It goes up, and what do we say? It then goes on what? Sale. It's going to come back to where it came from. And you guys can see that it went up. Didn't it come back to the same previous higher high? Can y'all see that? It came back. It went up, came back to its previous higher high. It went up, came back to the previous higher high. Do y'all see that? It's going to make a new higher high. It's going to pull back to get some momentum before it keeps going.
Can you do that one more time for me?
So we have our new high. We're able to find, I'm going to do it one by one. So we have, I'm going to do here, a new, well, this was the first higher high. We'll do it here. Okay. It then went up and made a new higher high, right? We can identify that. But it's going to come back. It's going to pull back to the previous higher high. It's going to come back to where it came from. You see that red candle came back down.
Oh, okay.
Shot up. It's going to do it again. It's going to make a new higher high. It actually made it up here. It's going to come back down to the previous higher high before it's back up again. So that is, it goes up and it's going to pull back. When it pulls back and goes on sale, just like when you go and buy them shoes or that outfit or that game for your child, when it goes on sale, that is when we get in for the buy, to Leah's question. That is when we take advantage of, okay, the story is telling me it's a sale. It's time to go buy something. That's when you click buy. Are you tracking what I'm saying? It's going to go up like a slingshot. It's going to pull back, get some force, momentum. Then it's going to shoot back where it came from. Our boundaries, if you can find the direction, which is the higher high or the lower low, you'll be good. Let me show you. Boop. Same thing for a sale. I'm going to show you the opposite way. We have our I'm going to do here. Lower low. New lower low. It came back. You see how it came back? Came back and then it went down. Right? So we can see it doing it consistently. New lower low. Poop. It's going to come back. Boop. And then it's going to drop back down. So in order to find your entry is the previous for my note takers. Your entry, where do we get in? How do we get in? Your entry is the previous higher high or lower low. Because you can see it'll make a new one, but it's going to pull back. I'm going to prove it to you online. May I?
Say that one more time. The entry is the previous higher high or lower low.
The entry is the previous. Yeah. Let's see if we can find it like this. This is perfect, y'all. So we have let's put it on replay. It's not going to let me do replay. Can it let me do replay? I don't think, because I don't use, I'm about to say I don't use this. All right. So we have a new lower low. Can we see this here? All right. Yes. Happy. This means that it's ready to cook. Okay. New lower low. We can see this is my what? What did I tell y'all? Starts with a T. Our take
profit.
Take profit. How do I know the price, Shan? You go here to horizontal line. You put a line here, and it literally will tell you the price. You're going to copy the price into your MetaTrader 5 where it says take profit. You don't got to do the math. Just copy. All right. B is your boundary. Somebody tell me, where is our entry? If my entry is the previous lower low, somebody put a line at where my entry would be. Where am I going to get in? Where is the previous lower low? There you go, Kay. Yeah, there you go, Nia. Exactly. Right on the last peak. Y'all see what we did? New peak, previous peak. This is our entry. I'm going to make it blue. So we copy this. Oh, it's blue. Is that what's happening right now? Yellow. Okay. You copy this number. This goes in your entry for your MetaTrader 5. So you have your take profit, your entry. What am I anticipating? I'm anticipating that this is going to go back down here.
Mm-hmm.
Because remember, it goes down and it pulls back up to get momentum to keep going.
Mm-hmm.
Anytime you see a lower low or a higher high, it's giving you a clue of the direction. So this is the story telling you, okay, GU went down. It's pulling up to get some momentum because guess what? We keep it going. And so that's how we get in, is we get in when it pulls back up like it did right here to this previous peak. You click sell. You put in this number. I think you're going back down here. 135.022. Get in at 135.622 and let the trade run and do its thing. It's the same way if it was to go up.
Wait, I just got confused. So right here, you said is where you would enter, and down here is where you would exit. But then you said enter here.
So you enter, nope, exactly what you said. So you enter here. It's already here. It's time to enter because it came back up to the previous peak.
So this is a second entry. Like we already entered here, we took profit here, and this is to get in again when it come back up here. Is that what you, or am I misunderstanding?
Nope, no, you good. So when it goes down and it makes this peak, we haven't gotten in yet.
I thought that was a take profit from the previous.
Nope. You have to wait for the peak. So good question. Good clarifying question. We have to wait for the peak to happen. We can now see the peak has happened. It happened right here, right? So now once we have a new peak, a new lower low, great question. I'm so glad you asked. Once we see, okay, I see there is a peak. That is my clue. That is my signal. Okay, new peak. Now I need to find the entry.
Okay.
So find the new peak, the new lower low, the new high. Find that peak first. So this is step A. Get that direction, right? Find that new higher high or that new lower low. Step B is, okay, now I can use my boundaries to get in. My boundary is, where was the previous peak, which was here. So that's why it's literally, this would be a perfect time to get in and play.
Oh, so we're using the previous low as a location to enter after we see the new low.
Yep. And then because we're biased that it's going to go back down to where it came from.
And that next new low, lower low is when we take profit. When it passed down past the happy face.
When it gets back to the happy face. Yep. The broker would be like, oh, you made it. Good job. Get out. Here's your money.
Okay. Oh, we don't wait for it to get lower. We get the money when it needed because we thinking or hoping that or predicting that it's going to go down lower than that, but we're trying to get the money first.
Yeah. So our take profit is the new lower, higher. We're not trying to go forever in a day.
Okay.
Get your money and get out. Have a good day. Thank you, Lord.
Are we
Shannon.
Are we selling?
Right. This would be a sell because it's a lower low. So if it's a lower low, you would click sell. If there's a higher high, you click buy because you want to be in the direction that it's going.
So why wouldn't we buy it at the low and wait for it to go high? I don't understand. Like, why wouldn't we buy it at like here?
Because you always want to trade. You don't have enough money to go against the grain. So we want to go with the trend. It's a saying that says trade with the trend is your friend. So if it's going down, that means we're only looking for sales because the story is telling us right now the direction is down. So if direction is down, you're trying to get, it's like playing double dutch. That's not right. Yeah, that's right. Double dutch. Like you're trying to get into the flow of it. Because if you were to get into a buy, you would be going the opposite way of like the millionaires and the billionaires.
So you would have to sit and be uncomfortable to watch it go down before it go back. I mean, price-wise.
Because here's the thing, our job is not to predict. It's to respond. We don't know how far, so to your question, Maya, right? We don't know how long it's going to keep going down. I don't know. It could keep dropping forever. So we wait until it makes a new lower low. because we don't know. It could start green right now, and then by the time you wake up in the morning, it could drop down lower. So we want to make sure we're trading in the direction of the trend. And that just takes time to see when I say the eyes. That's when I say, okay, now we practice with our eyes.
Okay, so this just me. I think everybody, the context I'm needing is, let's just say, what are we on? Whatever this particular trade is, whatever this pair is. If this is my first time getting into this pair and I'm making my entry, let's just say based on this, the better entry would be to quote unquote sell. But if this is my first time in it, what is it that I'm actually selling? Does that make sense?
You want the, like Leah was saying, the context of it. So this is the beauty of trading. It is an electronic field and a space where you're simply getting in. It's investing, right? So let's say you have, we'll say $50. You pick a lot size. You'll say, I want to invest $1 per pip that this is going to go down. Okay? When it goes here, if you win your trade, okay, I win $10. Excuse me. You also have to risk. I'm willing to risk this amount of money if it loses. So I'm willing to risk $5 to get $10. You're getting into the flow of it. It's hard to explain because you're not trading anything. It's weird. You can click a buy and a sell button and get into something and then get into a global market. And the Bible, if not a Bible person, I'm sorry, but this is the only way best way I can explain it. It talks about how you can create wealth. This is like the epitome of creating something out of nothing. Because that blew my mind to your question, Nia. Because when I realized, so you telling me I can push a buy or a sell, and then I can make all this money from here. Like, it doesn't make sense. But what you're doing is investing in the flow of the market. You're getting in to say, okay, I can see this is happening. The proper word is to say, I'm biased. It's selling. I'm biased. It's going to buy. So to your question, if this is your first time, y'all, of course, would be doing demo money so you could practice and like learn the skill. But if it was to go live, you would have whatever amount you want, $50, $100, $500, whatever you choose. And you would invest what feels comfortable for you. And your whole goal, just like when you buy Apple, you own a stock, right? You own a part of the company when you buy stock. This is not that. This is you're learning to get into the flow of things. So you're hopping in and out. We're not owning anything. We're grabbing bits and pieces of the move. Now, if you were to do the same thing with stocks, you would own, right, the stocks. You would own a part of Apple. You will own a part of Netflix because you're holding it. You're not exiting. That's the difference. With Forex, we get in and out. Stocks, you're going to hold it. You get in, you click buy, and you just hold that joint. Crypto, you get in, you click buy, and you hold it. You're actually holding something. Futures is the same thing as Forex. You're getting in and out. The skills are the same, but what you're actually holding is different, if that makes sense.
Yeah, I'm familiar with StockSet because I've done that before. And so like you said, yeah, you buy into it and you can sell if you want, but it's not necessarily like a consistent thing that you really have to watch. You just, you just see what it does. And so with this specifically as it relates with Forex and going and being disciplined, as you were saying, and, being consistent, if nothing else, it's that initial, I'm not going to say the initial sell. I guess it really just depends on what it is, what pair you're looking at too. It'll just determine what your first move is going to be.
Right. If it's because we make money either way. You just have to be in the right direction. So I love the thought.
Shannon, in other words, my entry point is the stop loss, and the entry point is the stop loss, and the previous lower low is my take profit.
Nope, I'm gonna give it. Your new lower low is your take profit. Your previous lower low is your entry.
Oh,
Yeah.
got you.
Your stop loss can be what you want it to be. It could be 30 pips the other way. So here is our thing, y'all. Can y'all track with me?
Mm-hmm.
This is what, when I said there's no bait and switch, is no bait and switch. So I know it's at 8 o'clock, and so I want to honor our time, but I also want to give you what is next. So can I pause it? I'm going to show you what's next, because this, to what Nia is saying, now you have options. You could take this and do it with stocks, and then you hold something. You could do it with crypto, and you actually are holding, owning. You can do it with silver. You could trade gold, and you're actually owning something. This is called active day trading. Active day trading is great for building money more quickly than just holding. Does this make sense? Because it is a more active feel versus I just buy something and I hold it and I let it run. They complement each other well. So you choose what you like to do, right? I usually trade like twice a week. That's like that's a lot for me. Twice a week is like, okay, that's sufficient, right? Some people like to trade every day. I have friends who trade every day. I don't want to do that. Okay. So you find the flow that makes sense and feels comfortable for you, at least to get started. You could take this skill and trade Bitcoin and be like, okay, let's look at Bitcoin together, y'all. Can you see this? There's higher high. It came back to this peak. Can y'all see that it's come back down to this peak? You see? So everybody freaking out. It's just retesting. Like, it's just doing what it's supposed to do. Look at the 3 months. Higher high. It's coming back down to our peak. Do y'all see this? In action. So what would be the wise thing to do? Everybody is selling. But now that you know how this works, what is a smart thing to do?
Enter.
Yeah. It's on sale. Higher high. This is the 6 month. New higher high. This is live, right? This is how I trade Bitcoin. New higher high. All right, I'm gonna put my new entry at the previous peak. Maybe it comes down to 47. Bitcoin be issue if I try to use my little wicks, because they may not always go all the way down. As you can see, it did it here. New higher high, came back down, and then shot up. Big example. It works across the board. It's just how you want to use your skill. And you just got to practice it. So you can use it for stocks. You can use it for crypto. You could use it for Forex. And you don't have to do them all at the same time. Just practice seeing. Does this
So
make
Shannon, what is this strategy called? The
I
actual
would call it Luke 5.
Luke 5?
Yeah, we call it
You
Luke.
said Luke 5?
Yeah. Like Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. So can you not? I'm trying to share with the people because these kids are going to come out of gymnastics and be loud as I don't know what. So this is what I want to give, because I didn't lie to y'all when I said there was no bait and switch. I need 2 things from you. If you are interested, one, I'm going to ask for your feedback because it helps me to know what I need to do better. So I'm going to drop that in the chat. All right. I'm also giving everybody just free access to my academy. It's a 2-month academy, just so you can keep practicing and have, like, there's no switch. Like, I just want to help people. So I don't know. If you're interested, even if you're not, can you just fill out my form so I can know what you think and like what I can do better? Like, because it's helpful, because I'm trying to help the people. Okay. So you could be like, this class sucked. It was too much. I would take your appreciative and great and honest feedback. Or it could be like, girl, this was wonderful. I still don't know what I'm doing, but at least I had fun. Like, whatever you feel. It'll also be a space where it'll ask you if you want the academy, because I'm not going to bother you if you don't. But if you do, I'll put you in the academy. I'll probably do it next week after I do all the classes. So it's just a one hit. It's 6 weeks. It's 8 weeks just to give you some extra time. It'll just allow you to practice more. So I have worksheets in there so you could practice like manually finding higher high. It'll give you more space to like, what is Forex? What is trading? Like to answer the question that you guys have to conceptualize it. I just didn't have time to put everything in an hour and a half, right? So those are the big things. If you are not interested in that, there's also another free website called babypips.com. I'm gonna put it in the chat. So I need you to practice. If you want 30 minutes to an hour a week, that's like 2 TV shows, y'all, or a movie. Just practice, right? If you want to use the academy, use that. Grow your skill, all right? The goal is that you practice with paper money until you're about 65% accurate. Okay. And so once you get to about 65% accurate over like a quarter, then you can go live. Then you can trade with crypto. Then you can trade with Forex Live. And even then you should start with like $100. And in the course, it'll give you psychology like of why, because you want to prove to yourself. The goal is that you say, I'm leaving money on the table. So the more that you practice, that's what happened for me. I was like, I'm doing this. I'm tripping. I'm trading with $50. What am I doing? So the more that you practice it, the more it becomes clear. So I hope this was helpful. I pray that it was helpful, that it opened the eyes and it helped give some clarity on like at least first steps to know that it doesn't have to be crazy. It just really takes practice. And that's why I'm gonna give y'all the academy, because I know it takes more than an hour and a half. But that's the whole strategy. Like, that's it. Find a higher high. Look at the previous high high. Find a lower low. Look at the previous lower low. Get in. That's it. Like, but it's just practicing. Your eyes have to, it's like muscle memory. The more that you see it, the more it becomes like, okay, I see it. Or I shouldn't get in. Does this make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Also, my goal, if you don't know me, which mostly I don't, is my goal is to keep doing stuff like this. I usually charge for this. I follow Jesus. He said we're giving this away. So if you feel led to donate to help the cause, it would be great. We're going to churches. I get to hang out with my kids' homeschool academy or co-op, and we're doing it there. So it's cool. I got to teach 5th graders today. Trying to work with PG County Public Schools, I live in Maryland, so I'm trying to be a partner with the county. So anything that you feel led to donate, we're also appreciative because it helps I take from my family as I'm just giving everything that I got, because why not? I would say freely receive, freely give. So I'm trying to freely give. But if you want to help to lift the load, I would be grateful. Praise the Lord. Hallelujah. And thank you, Jesus, because the Lord is faithful. So use the QR code or Zelle. But please, please, please fill out the form. That's what matters the most to me. Please fill out the form. Let me know what would have been helpful. What did you learn? If you want to do the academy so that I can give you the academy as a gift. And that's it, y'all. Like, I know y'all got questions. I'm scared to ask that because I know y'all got questions because it's a lot of information. But any questions that I can answer in like 5 minutes?
I just have one quick question. Like, first of all, thank you so much for giving your time and breaking it down and making it so simple. But if I wanted to practice until I did the academy and stuff, it looks like you do all this on the I saw you going between the weekly and the daily. So do you just do you look at for the peaks and stuff on the weekly and enter on the daily?
I do both. So I'll look at the weekly, like at the beginning of the week, and then I'll look at the daily, and I'll go between the daily. So it's almost like a scavenger hunt. You're looking for like which time frame has an opportunity. Does the daily have something? Nope. I'm gonna go down to the 4 hour. Does the 4 hour opportunity? Nope. I'm gonna go down to the 1 hour. So like you just hop in to see which one is the cleanest. That's what I look for. Where's the clearest entry? And that I can see direction. So I play on all of them.
And whatever time frame you enter on, you stay on that to get out.
Yep.
Okay.
Because I can't do the most. It makes me stress. I can't do that. I don't got time for that. Make my head hurt. And if y'all we got a class Saturday. So if you got a friend you want them to come, just let me know, or I don't know how you share it, but share it with them. We just want to get the group out. And then we have our teen session next week, next Tuesday. So if you got some teens who you know, we're gonna do the same thing. And I'm gonna use y'all's feedback to tweak it.
Okay.
So that's all I have. Usually I pray, but I don't know y'all. Something I can do that. I'm just gonna say be blessed. And so that's all I got. So I hope y'all have a good evening and stuff. Go drink some
Thank you.
Coca-Cola or some water or some
Thank
lemonade.
you.
Because y'all did a good job. Give yourself a round of applause.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay. All
Did
right.
you put that link in the chat? Because it went away.
Oh shoot. Bye. I gotta find it.
Or were you going to email it to everybody? Or
Yeah, please email it, Shannon, if you don't mind.
I'm trying to bother people. Okay. I'm gonna email it.
okay,
Thank you.
It'll be like, this girl, she not going to, I ain't gonna bother y'all though. That's why I want you to fill it out. If you don't say nothing, it was so good. And I thank you for the opportunity. If you like this was,
Yeah.
I'm good. Babypips.com. I'm sorry, I didn't write it in the chat. I apologize. It's another free website as well that you can use. I like that website as well. So we're not gatekeeping. So use what you got. They're dope. But if I don't see you again, thank you for hanging out. So
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.